They go to Thomas again. Is Homer set?
Of all the fouls that the big men have to give, that is the one that will not make Coach Jong Wichico happy. And that would be the 6th foul of itong si Billy Mamaril.
So Mamaril leaves the game with 4 points and 6 fouls. So tapos na ang trabaho ni Billy Mamaril sa gabing ito. Alex Crisano is back on the court. Agad-agad binantayan itong si Steve Thomas. Thomas to Homer Say. Kanina pa pinag-iisipan ni Homer Say yung kanyang jump shot, but it doesn't work.
As you can see the difference, that's the same play, but a few plays back, the guy that was on the high post was Ranidel De Ocampo. Kaya ibang-iba yung scheme ngayon ng Air 21 with Homer Say inside.
8 to shoot para sa Ginebra. Kagiwa for 3, in and out. Alexander with rebound number 22. Here's Elderbrand. Salvacion. No!